1-4-5 in C. Now 1-4-5 in C, and for the purpose right now, let's not worry about the numbers or how they work. Let's just realize that we're playing a C chord, an F chord, and a G chord. Okay, and I'm going to play them in a situation, a playing situation that a person might run into, say playing a song or something that has got those chords in it, and I'm just going to kind of improvise a little bit, but using the notes in the chords that we know so far. Okay, so I'm going to play C here on the 3rd fret. It's going to be an A form bar chord, 3rd fret, C, just like this, A form bar chord, and I'm barring here, C, and I'm going to play an F, which is an E chord, E form bar chord, sorry, on the 1st fret. I am going to be playing a G, which is an E form bar chord here on the 3rd fret. So I'll just play a little riff with the chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's just a little bit of a riff doing that. And notice that when the C goes for a complete measure, so you've got 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And boy, I almost did a anyway, sorry. Love 80s music. That happens. Just comes out sometimes. Anywho, alternatively, you can play C up here on the, what fret is that? 9th fret? Is that 8th fret? A C up here, which is an E form bar chord, up here on the 8th fret. And when you play your F, now, incidentally, when you're playing these chords, something that's really cool about the fact that you've got the whole thing barred here, they've got the whole neck barred, and you've got all the space to work with, you can do different kind of a sounds with it. For instance, you could take this 1-4-5 and C, and if you were say playing a more kind of more heavy metalish son, see these would be a G and a C. Or these two. So these two here would be essentially this chord, see? I want to make sure you can see this here. There's a C and a G. Or you could, alternatively, you could play it here. Which are all, see, this is, it may seem confusing right at first, but it's not confusing just because of the fact that if you hold your hand in this position, right, you've got all these notes to work with. And if you wanted, so I've got like a higher thing there, and if I wanted to do like, say you're playing some hard rock and stuff, and I'll try to do some different kind of a riff. I'm really stuck on that. I'm stuck on that sound there. But what I'm trying to illustrate is, you can just play along, and you've got all this to work with. And anything that you do, as long as your hand's in that right position, with that A form bar chord here on the 3rd fret. Anything you do in here is going to be within that key, and it's all going to be right within this chart. If you're playing a song, you're playing any song, they call a C chord, no matter what you do. You're going to be in tune. So, when you want to do like a little arpeggio thing.